Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today is Tuesday, June 15th, 2021. It is 4:18 and 27 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, zinc. And feel free to check out my website. So let's hop to it here. Does zinc inhibit or promote growth of kidney stones? Well, both. First study to validate conflicting theories. Date June 14, 2021. Source, University of Houston. In the first study, to validate conflicting theories, a researcher has confirmed that the zinc actually does inhibit and promote the growth of kidney stones at the same time. A funny thing happened on the way to discovering how zinc impacts kidney stones. Two different theories emerged, each contradicting the other. 1. Zinc stops the growth of the calcium oxalate crystals that make up the stones. And 2. It alters the surfaces of crystals, which encourages further growth. Now it can be told both theories are correct, as reported by researchers. What researchers see with zinc is something they haven't seen before. It does slow down calcium oxalate crystal growth, and at the same time it changes the surface of the crystals, causing defects in the form of intergrowths. These abnormalities create centers for new crystals to nucleate and grow. Reports say that the effect is a double-edged sword. The formation of kidney stones is a pathological condition that has increased in frequency among patients, leading to an increased amount of suffering and steep rise in medical costs. Though calcium oxalate crystals are found everywhere, the most naturally abundant form of these crystals are calcium oxalate monohydrates, COM, the kind found in human kidney stone disease. Along with COM, kidney stones are composed of various hard deposits of inorganic salts and organic compounds, e.g. proteins, crystallizing or sticking together in concentrated urine. They can be severely painful to pass through the urinary tract. In this study, researchers used a combination of in vitro experiments and computational modeling to decode the effects of zinc on COM crystal growth. The techniques researchers are using in the lab to investigate these systems enable them to get a better picture and to deconstruct these complex systems as a means of identifying new ways to prevent kidney stone formation. These are enabling tools that allow us to understand, at an almost molecular level, how various species in urine can regulate crystal growth. On the dual role of zinc on COM was confirmed by atomic microscopy, measurement showing a unique ability of zinc ions to alter the termination of crystal surfaces. The team compared the impact of zinc on COM with similar ions like magnesium. The researchers wondered what would happen if they used alternative ions commonly found in urine, such as magnesium, and the answer was nothing. It had little to no effect, whereas zinc had a major effect. This is an excellent demonstration of how subtle differences in the nature of various species impacts their interaction with crystal surfaces. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.